take a look at 1977 Buick Regal, two-door hardtop. 350 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC, although notice the AC belt has been removed. But it appears the components are all there, and we're going to start it up, check underneath the hood here in just a bit, let you hear it run. You want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. See the chrome and the headlight surrounds, front bumper, all looking good. Now, as far as the paint, this would be light blue, 22 paint code, so this is the original color of this car. There are some imperfections or staining, I guess, if we will, maybe a little bit of touch-up here and there, but it's one of those cars, hey, if you want to get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank, have a fun, reliable driver, here you go. Original blue interior. We'll get around to the driver's side when we start it up, let you check that out a little closer. Cloth to vinyl combination. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at chrome on the rear bumper. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside, very original looking car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Just kind of like I said, just a few spots where maybe it's sapped or stained just a tad bit, but overall, car shows well. Nice car for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Again, if you want to get into the classic car hobby without spending 30, 40, 50 grand, a sports car, a muscle car, have a nice cruiser right here. Original door panels. Split bench seat up front. And again, you can see original fabric. And you'll be able to see the front and rear seats in those still pictures. Take a look at the headliner. Also nice shape. AM radio in working order, FYI. As you can hear, here's fuel gauge is working. Believed to be original miles, 75,521. Unfortunately, once the car is a certain age, the miles are marked exempt on there, but according to the interior, looking underneath the hood, the underside of this car, take a look at that dash. Very realistic that this car could have the 75,000 original miles on it. FYI, wipers work. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Pretty stock sounding, I would have to say. No crazy cam or a bunch of engine work done to it. Stock sounding exhaust. Slip up to the front, let's pop the hood, check out this 350.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go. But look at the lack of corrosion underneath the hood. Just a nice, clean, tight engine bay. Smooth running V8. Again, power steering, power brakes. That's paired up with that automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 350. Clean hood, underside. You'll be able to see a picture of the VIN, the data tag, CAL tag, all of that when you check this car out in the still pictures. There you go, 1977 Buick Regal. Nice looking coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.